Good morning, students. This is Sivakrishna from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Deepak Institute of Technology, Kavali. Today I am going to discuss about total quality management. So this is another subject, so total quality management. So today we are going to presentation on what is TQM and the benefits of TQM, the concepts of TQM, principles of TQM, gurus in TQM. So we can discuss it one by one. So introduction to TQM. So what is TQM? So the full form of the TQM is Total Quality Management. So the full form of the TQM is Total Quality Management. So what is it total? Total is made up of whole or involvement of all levels in the organization. So in an organization which all departments involved in any work for the organization growth is called total. Quality, degree of excellence a product or services provide or conformance to agreed upon requirements. Next, management, act or manner of handling, controlling, directing. In the management, we have handling the total entire organization and controlling the organization or directing the employees of the organization. So these are the total quality management. So next, the concepts of the TQM. So what is the concept? So the product, it produced quality work the first time. So when we have a first work doing the organization, so we can do the best quality products it delivered to the customer. So this is the best quality for the organization in the first time you can introduce your company. Next, focus on the customer. Next, have a strategic approach to improvement. So how to improve the organization growth and how to improve the quantities. We can we can contact the number of customers. We can search in the number of customers. So whether the customers is located in another places. So that's why we can approach the customers and improve the quality of the products. Next, improve continuously, encourage mutual respect and teamwork. Next, various definitions in TQM. So in TQM we have various definitions, so we can discuss it one by one. So first one, the total quality management is the integration of all functions and process within an organization in order to achieve continuous improvement of the quality of goods and services. This is the definition of the TQM. The goal, the entire goal of the organization is customer satisfaction. Next, another definition. TQM is defined as the both philosophy and as a set of guiding principles that represent the foundation of a continuous improving organization. It is the application of quantitative methods and human resources to improve all the process within an organization and exceeds customer needed now in the future. Next, another definition. In total quality management means that the organization culture is defined by the supports the constant attainment of customer satisfaction through an integrated system of tools, techniques, and training. This involves the continuous improvement of the organization process, resulting in high quality products and services. Next, we are going to discuss about characteristics of TQM. So, what are the characteristics in the total quality management? Committed management, adopting and communicating about total quality management, closer customer relations, closer provide relations, benchmarking, increased training, open organization, employee empowerment, flexible production, process improvements, process measuring. So these are all the characteristics of TQM. Traditional approach and TQM. So in traditional approach we have divided in 3 stages. So first stage is quality element, provide previous state, total quality management. So first definition. Product oriented, so customer oriented. So TQM, total quality management, is customer oriented. So next quality element is priorities. Previous step, second to service and cost. Previous step. So for in total quality management, first among equal all services and cost. The next decisions. Decisions in quality elements. In a previous step, short term. In TQM step, long term. In quality control, quality elements in emphasis. Previous state is detection. TQM is prevention. Next, errors in quality elements. Previous state operations. In TQM is system. Responsibilities in quality elements. In previous state quality control, TQM is everyone. Problem solving in quality elements. In previous state managers. In TQM is teams. Manager roles in TQM elements. In previous state plan, assign, control and enforce. In TQM delegate, delegate, coach, facilitate and mentor. So these are all the traditional approaches on total quality management. The 3 aspects of total quality management. So what are the aspects in 3 total quality management are? Counting customers culture. C cube. So we can memorizing the C cube. Counting customers culture. So what is counting? Tools, techniques and training in the use of analyzing, understanding and solving quality problems. So this is the counting. So customers, quality for the customers as a driving force and central concern. Next, culture, shared values and beliefs expressed by leaders that define and support quality. So these are all the 3 aspects of TQM. Principles of TQM. So what is the main principles in TQM? So first principle is produce quality work the first time and every time. So it can be produce the quality work in first time, and we can supply the any other elements in every time. So we can produce the quality work. So next principle, focus on the customer. So we can focus on the number of customers. So next principle, have a strategic approach up to improvement. Next, it improve continuously. So last principle, encourage mutual respect and teamwork. So that the key elements of the TQM. So what are the key elements in TQM? So the first key element is focus on the customer. So we can focus the customers where are. Next, employee involvement. So next key element is continuous improvement. So these are all three key elements in the TQM, total quality management. So we can discuss it one by one. So what is the focus on the customer? So focus on the customer is, it is important to identify the organization customers. So it is a first important to customers where are you. So identify the organization. So customers is where this is the first organization growth in the any company or organization. It is important to identify the organization customers. Next, external customers consume the organization product or services. Internal customers are employees who receive the output to other employees. So this is the focus on the customer. Next, employee involvement. Since the quality is considered the job of all employees, employees should be involved in the quality initiatives. So frontline employees are likely to have the closest contact with the external customers, and thus can make the most valuable continuous of contribution to quality. Therefore, employees must have the authority to innovate and improve quality. Next, continuous improvement. The quest for quality is a never-ending process in which people are continuously working to improve the performance, speed, and number of features of the product or services. In continuous improvement means that small or incremental improvement that occurs on a regular basis will eventually add up to vast improvement in quality. TQM is the management process used to make continuous improvement to all functions. In total quality management, represents an ongoing continuous commitment to improvement. The foundation of total quality is a management philosophy that supports meeting customer requirements through continuous improvement. Next, continue process improvement. So what are the continue process? So when continue process improvements are, view all work as process in production and businesses. Process, purchasing, design, invoicing, etc. Inputs, process, output. So these are all the continuous process improvements. Process improvement, increased customer satisfaction. So improvement, 5 ways. So what is? So reduce resources, reduce error, meet expectations of downstream customers, make process safer, make process more satisfying to the person doing. So these are all the 5 ways to improve the continuous process. Next, what is the TQM system? So the total quality management system is 3 stages. So first one is objective, next one is principle, so last one is element. So what is the objective? So objective is a continuous improvement is the main objective for the total quality management system. So what is the main principles? So the first principle is customer focus. Next, process improvement, total involvement. So these are all the main principles of the current objective of continuous improvement. Next, elements, leadership, education and training, structure, communication, recognition, measurement, supportive, reward. So these are all the main elements of the total quality management system. So what is the objective is continuous. The main objective of the TQM is the continuous improvement. So the three principles are customer focus, improve process improvement, and total involvement. So elements is so what is the leadership, educational training, supportive staff and structure, communications with one or two another persons, recognition. So employee recognition to the manager. So rewards to the employees from the organization and measurements. These are all the main key elements of the total quality management. So what are the benefits of TQM? The benefits of TQM are improved quality, employee participation, teamwork, working relationship, customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, productivity, communication, profitability, market share. So these are all the benefits of the total quality management. So next main important topic is gurus of TQM. So where are the gurus of TQM? Dr. Walter Shewhart, 1891 to 1967 in USA. Achievements are control charts. Dr. Edward Deming, in the year 1900 to 1993. So he is also a USA, United States of America. So the Edward Deming achievements are PDCA circle. So next person, Joseph M. Guran, 1904 to 2008. He also USA. So he has achievements is Guran trilogy. Philip Crosby, in the years 1926 to 2001. He is also USA. The achievement is zero defect philosophy. So next person, Karo Ishikawa, in the year 1915 to 1987. He is in Japan. His achievements are fishbone diagram. So these are all the gurus in total quality management. So we can discuss it in one by one in later. Next, evaluation of TQM. Quality measurement philosophy was involved in Japan after Second World War II. The evaluation in total quality management, the quality management philosophies was evolved in the Japan after the Second World War. An American expert, Edward Deming, helped Japanese to apply concepts of TQM. In 1968, the Japanese shaped the phased total quality control and become the world quality leader. In the 1980s, the US Naval Air Systems coined the TQM phase. The Navy based most of the principles on the Japanese total quality control philosophy. In 80s, the most companies in the world started applying this concept and enhanced their productivity and profitability remarkably. What are the roles of leadership in total quality management? So the roles of the leadership in total quality management is promoting cultural change, leading from the front, open communication, removing barriers between departments, installing more customer focus, aligning company goals with vision and mission. So these are all the roles of leadership in the total quality management. Elements of TQM. So what are the main elements of the TQM? To be a successful improving TQM and organization must concentrate on the 8 key elements. So first one is ethics, second one is integrity, third one is trust, fourth one is training, fifth one is teamwork, sixth one is leadership, seventh one is recognition, eighth one is the communication. So these are all the key elements of the total quality management. This 8 is the main key elements of the total quality management. So we can discuss it one by one. These elements can be divided into 4 groups according to their function. The groups are, so the 8 key elements will be divided into 4 groups according their functions. So is the first group is foundation. The foundation is, it includes ethics, integrity and trust. The foundation group is ethics, integrity and trust. So these three are the one group for the foundation. So next group is building bricks. It in second group building bricks, it includes training, teamwork and leadership. So these three key elements are the building bricks group. So the next group is binding mortar. So binding mortar, it includes communication. So the last one is roof. Last group is ROOF. It includes recognition. So these 8 key elements are divided into 4 groups. The first group is, the 4 groups are foundation, binding bricks, binding mortar, roof. So these 4 groups may be divided into number of stages. The foundation group is ethics and integrity and trust. So building bricks are teamwork and leadership and training. Binding mortars. Binding mortars are communication. Roof is a recognition. So we can discuss it one by one. So the first one is the foundation. So we can see the diagram. So this is the main functions of the total quality management. So the first is communication, integrity and ethics, and leadership, teamwork, training, recognition. So these are the total entire process we are arranging the total quality management in communication system. So what is a foundation? The TQM is built on a foundation of ethics, integrity and trust. These 3 elements move together, however, each element offers something different to the TQM concept. So the first one is ethics. Ethics is the discipline concerned with good and bad in any situation. It is a two-faced subject represented by organizational and individual ethics. Organizational ethics establish a business code of ethics that outline guidelines that our employees are to adhere to in the performance of their work. Individual ethics include personal rights or wrongs. The next one is integrity. Integrity implies honesty, morals, values, fairness, and adherence to the facts and sincerity. The characteristics is what customer expect and deserve to receive. So trust. Trust is a byproduct of integrity and ethical conduct. Ethical conduct. Without trust, the framework of TQM cannot be built. It allows empowerment that encourage pride ownership and it encourage commitment. Trust is essential to ensure customer satisfaction. These 3 are the foundation. So next one is building bricks. So based on the strong foundation of trust, ethics and integrity, bricks are placed to reach the roof of recognition. It includes, so the first one of the bricks is training. Training is very important for employees to be highly productive. Training the employee requires interpersonal skills, the ability to function within the team, problem solving, decision making, job management, performance analysis and improvement, business economics and technical skills. So next, teamwork. To become successful in business, teamwork is also a key element of the total quality management. With the use of teams, the businesses will receive quicker and better solutions to problems. Teams also provide more permanent improvements in process and operations. So next is leadership. It is a possibility the most important element in TQM. It appears everywhere in the organization. Leadership in TQM requires the manager to provide an inspiring vision, make strategic directions that are understood by all, and instill values that guide subordinates. Next, binding motor. In binding motor is a communication. It binds everything together, starting from foundation to roof of the TQM house. Everything is a bound by strong motor of the communication. It acts as a vital link between all elements of TQM. Communication means a common understanding of ideas between the sender and receiver. So last one is roof. So roof is a recognition. Recognition is the last and final element of the entire system. It should provide for both suggestions and achievements of teams as well as individuals. Employees strive to receive recognition for themselves and their teams. Detecting and recognizing contributors in the most important job of the supervisor. So we can see the TQM house diagram. So communication is the top of the roof. So in this TQM we can see the house. So in house the main roof is the communication part. The, the final product is recognition. The first starting product of the roof is the, so this is the basement, or communication is the first basic element. So this is the first floor, integrity and ethics. Next, leadership, teamwork. So we can increase the step by step process for the communicating the entire teamwork of the theatre quality management system. So next, training, recognition. So these are the TQM house to build the customer satisfaction of the entire organization for total quality management. Thank you.